Hi, I'm Bill Astle, the President and CEO of Juki Automation Systems, and welcome to the Apex Expo 2020 booth, where I want to give you a quick overview of all of our different systems. Starting with our inspection system called the RV2 3D-HL. This system specifically was made for large boards, and it can do super high-speed inspection in both SPI, AOI pre-reflow, and AOI post-reflow. It has a new 3D inspection head with super high-resolution digital light processing technology. It's also capable of doing mechanical inspection of both SMT mechanical assemblies, but outside the electronics industry, it can also do mechanical measurements. As we move down the line, we come to our flagship placement systems, the RS1R. This is our new system on the RS vintage mounters. It uses the in-flight laser-aligned Tagumi head, which automatically adjusts and optimizes the placement throughput based on part height. This is a novel head in the industry and the only placement machine that can place all parts across the component spectrum without any head changes. It accommodates 112 feeders, 8 millimeters on each system, and we have an additional tray feeder that does not take up any space on the machine. It also supports long boards up to 1200 millimeters long, and it has placement rates, speeds up to 47,000 components per hour, or the IPC spec of 31,000 parts per hour. So this is a little bit faster than our standard RS1. We also have it coupled with our Titan screen printer. The Titan screen printer is a best-in-class, high-accuracy, high-speed printer, ready to go for Industry 4.0. Comes equipped with a lot of standard features, such as stencil clamp using vacuum on the rails, automatic stencil clean using vacuum, using wet or dry chemicals, and also stencil inspect. This complete line was sold off the floor here at Apex. Moving further down the line, we're now showing also our RS1 XL machine that can handle boards up to 650 millimeters by 560 millimeters. It also incorporates the Takumi in-flight adaptable head for high-speed placement. We also have the Primo here at the show to complement our large board line. The Primo is just as accurate as the Titan, but it can handle boards up to 850 millimeters by 610 millimeters, capable to do 2D inspection of the solder paste after printing, and it has a lot of capability in terms of connecting to other machines, including SPI closed loop with inspection machines. As we move further around the booth, we're going to go to the other side and see some of our offerings in selective soldering, both our batch and our inline systems. And we're also going to show you our revolutionary storage systems, which allows tremendous time savings in setup, teardown, and changeover. So here we have our cube system, and we get this system from our partners in Germany called Intertech, and we sold this system also off the floor. This is a batch system that offers board size up to 460 by 460 or 18 inch by 18 inch. It also offers that 0 and 7 degree soldering that you would find on typical wave soldering machines. For faster throughput of selective soldering, we also offer our inline or cube iCube. This system will parallel process fluxing, preheating, and soldering at the same time. So it's approximately 3 times faster than our batch system. It is a little bit longer, but you'll get a lot better throughput out of this system than the batch system. As we move further on down the booth, you'll see we're offering our automated incoming material station, where you can apply unique ID labels and marry that to each reel on the incoming, and then it's ready to go across your factory to be deployed into our automated storage cabinets and also directly onto the floor to the mounters. So here for the first time, we are introducing our solution, complete solution for automated guided vehicles, or autonomous vehicles as they're now called. We have coupled our 3600 with modules that will now deliver to an AGV. So our MIM, or multi-interface module, can handle also 3900 cases or reels, and that would hand off to an extended elevator module, which is our delivery system to our automated guided vehicle. The automated guided vehicle has what we call our case carrier, and it can deliver the 13, 15-inch reel case sizes or the 7-inch reel sizes automatically to the pit crews setting up feeders, or directly to the floor to mounters to replenish or for the next setup. This system here we have is from Omron, one of our partners in Japan for AGVs. We also real quickly have introduced our auto load feeder for our RS1. This allows quick setup and also auto splicing automatically. We have large tape feeders now in 68, 72, and 88 millimeters in the RF feeders. And we also have a new stick feeder, which gives you individual vibratory lanes and flexibility in the adapter for the specific escapement for the different tubes that you would need. And lastly, we have our award-winning JM100. This system won the award at the show for multifunctional placement. It can place 16,000 parts per hour in standard surface mount components and can do a spectrum of odd form components, including axials, radials, connectors, electrolytic capacitors. We cut the leads to the length in the feeders typically, and then as you can see, we now have a new option of clinching the leads under the board. So the JM100 also utilizes the revolutionary Tagumi head, which you will find on our RS1. So we have commonality in the nozzles and also in the spare parts between the JM100 and the RS1. All of our machines have line traceability and will connect to JNets and are adaptable to Industry 4.0. So thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you next year at the IPC Apex Show 2021.